In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Risk of Rain 2 with friends. So in this, you can actually join a server created by your friend in order to play with them. To first obtain your server IP, so connect your server using the developer's console or Steam server viewer. This can both be found on your server's multi-craft control panel. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to find your server's IP and just get your IP address from there. Now launch the Risk of Rain 2 and click on the multiplayer option. Then you can either create a game or join multiplayer game. From in there, you can just set the sorting down and choose in there the drop down to name. Locate and click on the particular server and enter the server password given to you by your friend. If you ever created a server, you can specify a specific password that you wish to use and just distribute it to people that you wish to play with you. Now you can also join it via the developer console. You can just launch it and press Ctrl, Alt, and Tilde keys and use the server password, enter the password from in there and submit it. And from that particular console, you can just head over and enter in order to connect to that. So that's how you play Risk of Rain 2 with friends. Hope we help.